हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज स्प्रिन। आज के वीडियो में मैं आप सबके साथ मेरा ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन शेयर करूंगी ऑन द स्किन क्राफ्ट कस्टमाइज्ड kits that is made absolutely for your own skin. I did not purchase this one. This was sent to me. Nonetheless, whatever I'm gonna say today will be my 100% honest opinion. And जो skin craft के ऐसे kits होते हैं ना, बहुत सारे variants में होते हैं. मेरा जो kit है वो है severe tan for oily skin, but you also have severe tan for dry skin, medium tan for dry skin, acne and blemishes for oily skin, acne blemishes for dry skin. Let me quickly address the flow of this video. So in the first part I'm going to talk about all the items given here and what each of the items claim, and then I will also tell you guys my experience using those products, and at the end I will tell you guys the overall opinion or my overall review. And so let's get going. A little announcement before starting the video is that कि last जो मेरा वीडियो था उसमें मैंने अपने गिव अवे के विनर्स को अनाउंस किए थे, एंड वहाँ पे मैंने 4 विनर्स अनाउंस किया था. 5th विनर जो है मैं अभी अनाउंस करूँगी, एंड हियर इज़ द नेम. आई डोंट एग्जैक्टली नो हाउ टू प्रोनाउंस इट, इसलिए मैं स्क्रीन पे अभी दिखा रही हूँ. एंड आपका जो नाम है कमेंट सेक्शन में भी मैं पिन कर दूंगी, डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी रहेगा. सो इफ़ यू वॉच दिस प्लीज़ DM me on Instagram handle, and everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Now let's start with the video. Let's talk about the pricing. The pricing is 2697. It has a shelf life of 2 years, and you get 3 items in it. You get a cleanser, serum, and you get a moisturizer. Before jumping onto anything, I would take a moment to appreciate the packaging of this, guys. Even though this is a trial kit, the packaging is really praiseworthy. So this is the box that you get, and ये एक magnetic enclosure वाला box है. As soon as you open it, you get another small pouch, which is this white colored pouch over here, and इसके अंदर you get the actual bottles, and it also came with 2 cards. One is the guide on how to use this product, and another one is the how you should register before you start using this product or after you purchase this product. ये जो blue box है, this is completely reusable. You can use it to store so many things, and you can use it in a multi-purpose way, and because इसमें magnetic enclosure है तो ये बहुत secure भी है. The first product they gave is a cleanser which comes in a bottle like this. It is a pump bottle, and ये एक 60 ml का बॉटल है. इसमें यहाँ पे आपको इस तरीके का एक स्टॉपर भी मिल जाता है, एंड इवन इफ यू डोंट हैव दिस, ऐसे प्रेस करने से दिस विल नॉट स्क्वीज आउट. यू हैव टू rotate it and then you can squeeze it out. So double protection, something which I really like because this makes it extremely travel friendly. This one claims that it is a soap-free liquid cleanser that controls excessive sebum production, completely pH balanced, hence it will prevent skin damage. This one also cleanses any sort of dirt, dust, pollution, and at the same time it minimizes your pores. Now the whole range is perfectly suitable for oily skin only, and that is what is mentioned in each of the products. Now the whole range, all the 3 products, they do not come with any smell except for this one. This one has a very mild and a very gentle smell which is very refreshing. You know, as soon as you use it you feel like you're awakened, that kind of a feeling. So I really enjoyed using this. It lathers moderately. It does foam up a little bit, which is good, which is something I do want, and it cleanses your skin really well. It makes your skin feel squeaky clean, again something I really like. So overall this cleanser out here is very good. Next I have the serum. Now this one they have called as the advanced skin lightening and antioxidant serum. This is a 30 ml bottle. Now I am totally against the word skin lightening. There is a difference between removing tan and skin lightening. I don't know why they have used this term, but I am completely against it. If they would have written tan removal, I think that would be a better option. So this one promises that it will fade away any uneven skin tone that you have. It will also repair the sun damage that your skin is facing. At the same time, it will also control the process of excess production of melanin, which might be a reason of the tan that you are facing. And it will also repair your skin against the effects of pollution. Now let me talk about its consistency. So this one is just like water. I'll show you. See? So this is just water, if you guys can see. It's a clear one. It's completely clear and it's completely watery, lightweight, very lightweight, and perfect for oily skin kind people. But that's it. It's just water. It does not do anything. It does not give me any kind of hydration. I didn't feel anything after using this one. I just felt that I put some water on my face. That's it. Let's move on to the final product of this kit, which is the moisturizer. This is a 40 ml bottle, and this one also comes with a double protection. I'll show you. First you have this cap, and once you open this cap you have another cap, and then you spray the actual product. This one you have to spray a lot if you want to cover your whole face. Like generally with mists you just need 2-3 spritz and that's enough, but this one requires 10-12 spritz so that all of your face is covered. So if you can see, again, this is completely water. This one says that it will provide instant hydration, and it also says that it will repair the skin's natural barrier. Now if I talk about hydration, it provides zero hydration. You will just feel you have sprayed some water on your face and that's it. And about the skin's natural barrier, I don't know. I have not seen any noticeable changes. This kit also comes with a card which gives you the guide of how you're supposed to use this product. So in the morning you're supposed to use the cleanser and the moisturizer, and in the night routine you should use the cleanser, the serum, and then the moisturizer. Also they say that once you use the serum you should wait for 30 minutes, and अगर 30 minutes बाद आपका skin फिर भी dry लगे, then only use the moisturizer, otherwise it's not required during the night. So when I was using this, I had to use the moisturizer because just using the serum I felt nothing because it is just water, as I said. So when I used it I did not feel any hydration or any moisturization. Now remember, I come from a very oily skin kind, and yet my skin is feeling dry. I don't know what you're putting in your serum, so I did have to use both the products. After using both together during the night, I will say it provided little bit of hydration, but although I am from oily skin, that much of hydration was not enough for me. I do require more. Those were all the 3 items. Now let me quickly tell you guys my overall review of this trial kit. First of all, I do like my things to have a little bit of fragrance. I am like that. So when I saw that there was no smell to it, I really did not like it except for the cleanser. But if you are someone who enjoys no fragrance, then you will like it. Secondly, it is very travel friendly. Like the whole kit in itself is very travel friendly, and the packaging is really very good. So if you are thinking of traveling, then you can definitely carry this. Third, the cleanser specifically is really good for oily skin type. When it comes to the moisturizer and the serum, I did not see anything. The serum gives no hydration, nothing. The moisturizer also the same. Both felt just like water, not like a serum or a hydrating moisturizer. They have a water-like consistency and they feel very lightweight, which is a kind of formula that is good for the oily skin, but at the same time did not give any hydration. If you ask me, should I go ahead and buy the kit? No, you should not, because you're paying 2,700 approx for a total of 120 ml of products, and that is very expensive for something which does not work. क्योंकि मैंने 1 week use कर लिया and मुझे कोई significant changes नहीं दिखे हैं. मेरा टैन वैसे का वैसा ही है, सब कुछ वैसा ही है. Not, you can definitely find yourself better things in the market. So yeah, that was my detailed review on the Skincraft trial kit for the severe tan oily skin type. I cannot really say how the other variant works, like the ones for dry skin or the ones which are fighting acne and blemishes, because I have not tried them. I do not know whether they will work or not, but this one does not work. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope you guys have liked it. If you have, do give me a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. And if you like watching me and my content, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button and iske bagal mein ek bell hai. Also hit that so that you're notified each time I update a new video. And make sure that you're also following me on Instagram. The handle is @mysticalimrin. I will be seeing you guys super soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.